Hello friends, I am Biswajit, your math educator. Today we will discuss some important questions from the chapter Arithmetic Progressions. Nearly 20 questions we will discuss in my coming 4 videos. So keep watching my videos, subscribe my channel, keep smiling and keep focus on study. Let us start from question number 1. First question, write the first 5 terms of the sequence whose nth term is n is equal to 2n square minus 3n plus 1. First write n equal to 2n square minus 3n plus 1. First term, put 1 in place of n. So a1 equal to 2 into 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus 1, that equal to 2 minus 3 plus 1, that equal to 0. Okay. Then find second term, a2. In place of n put 2. 2 into 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus 1, that equal to 4 into 2 8 minus 6 plus 1 3. Then third term, a3. 2 into 3 square minus 3 into 3 plus 1, that is equal to 3 square 9 into 2 18 minus 9 plus 1, that is equal to 9 plus 1 10. 18 minus 1 18 minus 9 9 plus 1 10. Then a4 equal to 2 into 4 square minus 3 into 4 plus 1, that is equal to 4 square 16 into 2 32 minus 12 plus 1, that is equal to 20 plus 1 21. Then a5 equal to 2 into 5 square in place of n minus 3 into 5 plus 1, that is equal to 5 square 25 into 50 minus 15 plus 1, it is 35. 50 minus 15 35 plus 1 36. So first 5 terms, first term, second term, third term, fourth and fifth. Question number 2, show that the sequence defined by an equal to 3n square minus 5 is not an FP. So first you write an equal to 3n square minus 5. If you put 1 in place of n, the a1, that is first term, is equal to 3 into 1 square minus 5, that equal to 3, 1 square is 1, 3 into 1 3 minus 5, that is equal to minus 2. Similarly second term, a2 equal to 3 into 2 square minus 5, that equal to 3 into 2 square 4, 3 into 4, that is 12 minus 5 equal to 7. Then a3 equal to 3 into 3 square, put 3 in place of n minus 5 is equal to 3 square 9 into 3 27 minus 5, that equal to 22. You see here a2 minus a1. So D equal to a2 minus a1. a2 minus a1 is 7 minus 2, that is equal to 9. a2 7, a1 minus 2. a2 minus a1 equal to 9. Similarly, if you find D, a3 minus a2, that is equal to 22 minus a2 is 7, it is 15. Here you see D is 9, here you see here D is 15. So D is not equal. D is 9 and D is 15. So here the difference between two consecutive terms are not equal. So it is not an AP. Question number 3. Find the middle terms of an AP. Middle terms means maybe one term or two terms. 7, 13, 19 up to last term is 241. So here first we find the number of terms, that is n. First we find n. Then if n is odd, number of terms is odd, the middle term is n plus 1 by 12 term. Okay, if n is odd. If n is even, then there will be two middle terms. One is n by 12th term and n by 2 plus 1th term. Okay, so first find n. Last term is, that is an equal to 241 here, and in this AP a equal to 7 and d equal to 13 minus 7 equal to 6. Okay, a and d. Then n formula is what? A plus n minus 1 into d. That equal to a is 7 plus n minus 1 into d is 6, and it is given 241. That implies 7 plus 6n minus 6 equal to 241. That implies 6n plus 1 equal to 241. That implies 6n equal to 241 minus 1. That implies 6n equal to 240. Then n equal to, n will be 240 by 6 equal to 40. So n is 40 here. 40 means n is even. If n is even, that two middle terms you will get. First is n by 2. You see n by 2 is 40 by 12th term. That is 20th term. Then next is 20 plus 1, 21st term. Okay. Then we have to find 20th term and 21st term. So A20. 20 term is A20. A20 equal to A plus n minus 1. N is what? 20 minus 1 into d. Okay, here in place of A you put 7. In place of d you can put 6. So it will be 7 plus 19 into 6. 7 plus, it is 121. Then 21st term, A21 equal to 7 plus 21 minus 1 into 6. That is equal to 7 plus 20 into 6. 7 plus 120 equal to 127. Here middle terms, first 20th term is 121 and 21st term is 120. Question number 4. Which term of the AP 5, 15, 25 will be 130 more than its 31st term? So more than its 31st term, 130 more. So first we find A31. Okay, here you see A equal to 5. D equal to 15 minus 5 or 25 minus 15, that is 10. Okay. Then A31 equal to, we know the formula, n equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So A31, A is 5 here plus n minus 1, 31 minus 1 into D, D is 10. That implies, that equal to 5 plus 30 into 10. That equal to 5 plus 300. That is 305. 130 more. 130 more than 31st term. So it will become what? 305 plus 130. That equal to 435. Okay, 130 more than 31st term. Then this is an. So an equal to 435. Then you find which term. Then you find here the term n, the value of n. So an equal to a plus, you see, a is 5, a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 435. That implies a is 5 plus n minus 1, d is 10, that equal to 435. That implies n minus 1 into 10 equal to 435. 5 is plus here, subtract. Then n minus 1 into 10, that is equal to 430. So n minus 1 equal to 10 will be divided here. 430 divided by 10 equal to 43. N minus 1 43. So n equal to 43 plus 1, that is 44. That means 44th term is 130 more than 31st term. Okay.